Tuck the excessive wires in the canopy. Loosen the screws, insert the brass arm into the black arm, and secure both arms with the screws. Thread the power cord through the hole on the canopy. Thread the power cord through the H-shaped fastener and fasten the cord with the fastener. Connect the black wire to the black hot wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire to the white neutral wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Mark the screw fixing spots on the wall, drill holes and tap the drywall anchors into the hole with a hammer. Align the holes on the canopy with the holes on the mounting plate and attach the mounting plate to the wall with the screws in the accessory pack. Loosen the screw for securing the green ground wire, wrap the ground wire onto the screw and then tighten the screw. Secure the nuts to mount the canopy to the wall.